Generative AI tools. Generative AI tools are innovative technologies that use advanced machine learning models to create new and original content based on patterns learned from existing data. These tools are transforming the working of individuals by enabling them to generate text, images, music, videos, and more with minimal input. There are a variety of generative AI tools available today. The most popular ones are discussed here. Artbreeder. Artbreeder is an online platform that uses generative AI to create and modify images through a user-friendly interface. It is powered by different GAN models that allow users to create realistic and artistic visuals by blending and editing existing images. Artbreeder focuses on creativity and enables its users to design characters, landscapes, portraits, and abstract art. You can open artbreeder.com in your web browser and try to create your pictures using this AI tool. Runway ML. Runway ML is a creative tool that uses generative AI to help people make videos, images, and other types of digital art easily. It allows users to work with AI models without needing advanced technical skills. It can help you generate realistic images from simple text descriptions, remove backgrounds from videos, or even create new content by combining different styles. It's used by artists, filmmakers, and designers to speed up creative work and experiment with new ideas, making the AI accessible for anyone interested in digital creation. To explore more about this tool, go to https://runwayml.com/. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the most popular generative AI tool, which was developed by OpenAI. It can understand and generate human-like text. It can answer questions, have conversations, write essays, and help with homework by understanding what users type and responding in a way that makes sense. ChatGPT uses a large amount of text data to learn language patterns and can assist with a variety of topics, including science, literature, history, and more. It is widely used for educational purposes, helping students by providing explanations, summarizing information, and offering suggestions. Gemini. Gemini is a family of advanced AI models developed by Google DeepMind. It is another popular tool designed to understand and generate human-like text, images, and other types of content. This powerful tool is used for tasks such as writing essays, answering questions, translating languages, and even creating art. It can help people by providing quick and accurate information or assisting in creative projects. Copilot. Copilot is an AI-powered tool that helps programmers write code faster and more easily. It was created by GitHub and OpenAI. It learns from a large amount of code available on the internet, making it smart enough to understand different programming languages and tasks. This tool is like an assistant for coders, helping them avoid errors and save time by offering useful code suggestions, especially when they get stuck or need inspiration. It works with many programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, and more.